What's the meaning of Columbia? Columbia. Columbia.
Columbia. Columbia. Columbia is a term that can refer to multiple things. It can be a name of a person, a place, or an organization. The name Columbia comes from Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer who is credited with the discovery of America. It is most commonly known as the personification of the United States of America, appearing as a female figure typically dressed in robes, wearing a crown of stars and holding a torch and a book. In popular culture, it has been used as the name of a film studio, an Ivy League university, a river, and a variety of other entities.